Now in this section I'm going to see how to control the linking between documents. So we'll look at updating, locking and breaking links. So if we just go through the process of linking this data here, so I'll select it, press Ctrl C, then I'll go over to a Word document here and I'll click on the down arrow here, select Paste Special, Paste Link and OK. So that is now a linked object. Just to confirm it is linked, let's go and change this data here. So I'll change the 6 to 19 just so we can see the effect. If we go back to the Word document, you can see that has definitely been updated, so it's definitely linked. Now if I click within the Word document and I click within the data here, if I go and right click, I can go to this item here that says linked worksheet object, and from there I can go and click on where it says links, and from here I can control those links. So there's a number of things we can do. I could click here to force an update if it hadn't already been updated. If I clicked where it says open source, that would open the original data within Excel. I can change the source so I can link to different data within Excel or even a different Excel workbook. If I go to this, that will break the link, which basically means the information will still be displayed within the Word document, but it will no longer be linked, so that if you make any changes to the original in the Excel workbook, that will no longer be updated. There's also various other things we can do. So we can have automatic updates, which is the default, or if you want to, you could have it so it's a manual update. Incidentally, if you set it to a manual update, make some changes to the original in Excel and then come back to this Word document, what you need to do is to select the data within Word and press the F9 key. That's a kind of general Microsoft update key. So remember that to update just about any sort of field within Microsoft Word, press F9. If I was to click on locked, what that would do, it means the two would remain linked, but I would lock the data within Microsoft Word so that if I made changes within Excel, as long as this was locked, it wouldn't show the updates, and I'd have to sort of unlock it and then possibly update it to see the latest version of the Excel workbook data within the Word document. So those really are your different options there. So you can update now, open the source, change the source, break the link, lock it from changes, and then you can specify if you want automatic updating or manual updating.